Imagine a world cloaked in ice. A new ice age has descended, and the familiar life forms we know struggle to survive. In this icy realm, water freezes, putting a stop to the biochemical processes that sustain life as we know it. But what if life found a way? What if, instead of water, life adapted to use ammonia, a substance that remains liquid in this frigid environment, as its primary solvent? Such life forms would probably look and function very differently from the ones we are familiar with. For one, they might develop antifreeze proteins to prevent the formation of ice crystals within their cells. Their metabolic rate might be incredibly slow, a necessary adaptation to survive with the limited energy resources available in the cold environment. And it's possible that they might exist predominantly below the surface, where temperatures are more stable and liquid ammonia is readily available. The biochemistry of these ammonia-based life forms would likely be vastly different from ours. Proteins, the building blocks of life, could consist of different amino acids or have different structural configurations adapted to the chemical properties of ammonia. They might develop unique metabolic pathways to extract energy from chemicals that are toxic to water-based life. Their genetic material might not even be DNA or RNA, but some other molecule capable of storing genetic information in an ammonia solvent. In an ammonia-rich, cold environment, these life forms would need to adapt to derive energy from sources that are suited to such conditions. They might primarily be chemolithotrophic, deriving energy from the oxidation of inorganic compounds, possibly utilizing minerals found in the icy environment. They might even develop mechanisms to harness energy from cosmic or terrestrial radiation. If thermal vents exist, these life forms might cluster around them, utilizing the heat and chemicals emitted as energy sources. Over time, if conditions permit, these ammonia-based life forms might evolve greater complexity. They could possibly develop sensory organs, mobility, and even intelligence, all adapted to their unique environmental conditions and biochemical basis. But remember, these are just speculations, purely theoretical and not based on any empirical evidence. They serve as a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie in the universe. The beauty of science is in its ability to hypothesize, to speculate, and to imagine, even when the evidence is yet to catch up.